Hey, cook all, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making Amish sugar cookies. So let's do what we do and make it happen. First up, a little prep. We're gonna crack an egg. We have some flour in this measuring cup, and we're going to add some baking soda. Good. Now some cream of tartar. Mix the flour, cream of tartar, and baking soda well, just like so. Now in our stand mixer, we're gonna add the sugars. You, of course, can use a handheld electric mixer for this. Now we're gonna add the powdered sugar. That goes in. Softened butter. Vegetable oil. Now we're gonna cream our fats and sugars on medium speed, and the egg goes in. We're gonna add our flour mixture a little bit at a time. For more of my recipes, slide over to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. We're scraping down the bowl to make sure everything is mixed in well. Now the vanilla. We have a baking sheet lined with a silicone baking mat, and we're going to drop teaspoons of our dough. We're going to bake these in a 350-degree preheated oven for 7 to 10 minutes or until the bottoms are golden brown. We're going to move them to a cooling rack so they can cool. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra out. Peace.